What it do, JFC? This is Brad, representing Junkie Fighting Systems Elite. Y'all know how we do it in the JFSE. Got to give a shout out first of all to all my teammates, Gordon, Nick Doan, Dice Man, KOA, even EP Kimpo. Good luck in y'all's next fights. Training's been hardcore. Appreciate all your support. Alright, need to go ahead and get some business out of the way. I want to personally thank again Showdown and KOA for all your hard work you guys do with this. Thank you for the addition of the JEC. Really appreciate that. JEC 1 tonight. See how we do in it. Castle. Hopefully it'll be a good battle, but I'm going to come out on top with a devastating KO. Fight of the night's how I see it. Alright, we got this JFC 9 coming up, the IC tourney. Captains Mr. James for Team USA and Andre 3000 for Team World. I'm going to take on Andre 3000. Really appreciate that personal shout out you gave me yesterday. I'm not sure about the Justin Timberlake reference. No soul patch, bro. I hate to tell you that. However, I know I do like this mental imagery. I've decided to take these mental images I have and put them down in some digital imagery for you to watch, so you can get a better understanding of how this fight's really going to turn out next weekend. So check out the little video highlight I put together. Hope you enjoy it. Try to take it a little easy on you. I don't want to hurt you and make you have to go use that Canadian hospital care you guys have. But see you guys after the fights tonight. See you at the fights next weekend. Everybody be safe. I'm out.